Today we are going to make this colorful square. So let's start. For doing this, we have added 3 rows of single crochet. Now 2 more stitches are to be completed in this row. I'll just complete this stitch. And in the last stitch, I'm not going to complete it. So once I reach this stage, I'll just leave this yarn here and get hold of the new color. So I'll just leave about 1 to 2 inches of yarn and get hold of this like this. I'll hold it along with the work in this manner. Now, instead of pulling the original color, I'll be pulling out the new color. Slowly you can pull it out. Now to secure it little more, I'll just pull this loose end and this new color together. So after this, we don't need our previous yarn. So we'll just cut it, leaving little edge around approximately 2 inches. Now we'll be working with our new yarn. So chain 1, turn our work. But before starting, we'll just get hold of these 2 yarns. That is the loose ends together and bring it behind our work in this manner. Now when we'll be working along with these 2 yarns. So when we insert, these 2 yarns will be on the top. Pull through and we'll work our single crochets as usual. Into the next stitch. So all the time these 2 yarns will be, loose ends will be on the top of our work. And we will continue for 4 or 5 single crochets. By doing this, we are securing our work as well as weaving in these loose ends. Just cut the yarn out after you have worked around 5 to 6 single crochets. In this way you are securing your work as well as hiding the loose ends. In this way you can make your work more neat. I have added 2 more rows. We have 2 more stitches to complete. I'll just complete this stitch as usual. Now in the last stitch, I won't be completing it. We have 2 more loops on the hook. Now we'll add the new color. For that, get hold of the yarn in this manner and bring it near the work. And instead of pulling the green yarn, you will be pulling through the new color, that is the yellow yarn, and secure by pulling both the loose ends of yellow and green. Now you can work as usual with the yellow yarn, and we don't need the green yarn, so we'll just cut it off. So before cutting, we'll just see that there is at least 1 or 2 inches length left. we can work as usual. Chain 1, now bring the loose ends behind our work so that we can secure it and there is no loose ends, and work as usual single crochets. 1, 2, like that you can complete the row. Have a look at how to change the color once again. So 2 stitches are left. I'll just complete this one, but we won't be completing the last stitch. So this is the same procedure we will be doing for changing yarn colors when we are doing a double crochet or triple crochet, whatever stitch it is. You will be working till you have 2 loops on your hook. You won't be finishing the stitch completely. Now for changing the yarn, get a loop like this, pull it through. Instead of the old color, you will be pulling through the new color. You will be changing the yarn color and work as single crochet or double crochet what you are doing. You will be completing that row. Only thing you have to keep in mind is you will be bringing these loose ends behind your work and work along. So here I have completed a colorful square. I'll just finish it off. Chain 1 and pull through. Now you can see that you have 2 loose ends here. Even though the in between loose ends we had worked in, we still have loose ends. The next video I'll just show you how to weave in these loose ends. Thank you for watching. Hope you liked this video. If you have any suggestions, please feel free to write in the comment section. Please do subscribe to my channel. Until we see in the next video, till then, take care, stay safe.